Hello students, today we will discuss the second part of the chapter called Celebrating Festivals of your Class 3 book, Our Wondrous World. At first, we will do revision from last class with some pictures, then we will move on. Puilao cheng sabai malaika Rishi. Rishi bo bini parents by bor thangi tong Himalaya so thangi tong. Sabni nogo bini mama, tai mami, tai bini cousin song by Malaina bagai. Vacation o bo thangi tong. Ojaga norong nai mano picture bo bahai ke baso tong tete bas ni tailam tei bahai ke bini ride enjoy khai nai bo thangi tong. Next to cheng nai le nai. The roots have hairpin turns ni shaw. Lama rok belai ke kokoi mokoi hairpin hai. Norong nango jaga picture funugi rekha. Belai ke kokoi mokoi ke bo borok nai tutui ke bo thangi tongo. Aboni yagulo tamo the hills are covered with colorful flowers ni shaw. Hatai rok ke khum nai thoto barzak belai ke covered khaijak bebag hatayo nai thoto ke khum bari tongo. Or norong nai mano khum bahai ke nai thoto ke bari tong. Okay. Next, Rishi can see many tall trees far away. Bo haksa log ge botam nuk belai ke kuchuk kuchuk bufang nuhuro ni shaw haksa lo tong tete bini bas ni bo haksa log ge bufang kuchuk kuchuk nuhuri manu ni shaw. Engke borok thangte tamangkha bini mama bono welcome khai pai ka hai da cheng nugi mano last class ho. Engke borok belai ke broad concrete road te borok himi thango ni shaw ango jaga nong no broad concrete road ni photo funogi rekha concrete nge tamo abo krak hai da tam bai snamjak cement water sand abo joton mix khai nai je snam mani hai da abo tam rok snam cheng eko lama rok snam thani samongo chugo building rok snamo kya bonon hono concrete hai da engke borok concrete lama tei kotor lama tei thangte jeffro bini mamani nogga nao shogi kya afrong ke tamka the route became a narrow mud path closer to the house. Narrow mud path lama bo chikondruk ngai phaika bin mamani nogga nao shogite kheno. Engke mud path nge tamo watui rok phaika nge tamang lama hani lama blana tui bai ako bai mix ngai tamang thang harpek hairok ngai thango hani lama ba engke amono mud path engke belai no lama bo chikon ngai phaire go hne shaw bin mamani nogga no. Next tamo Jeffro bo when they entered the main gate Jeffro Rishi tai bini mama song bini family Jeffro bin mamani main gate o hapka afroke botam nukha Rishi saw colorful flowers in the garden. Colorful flower bo garden o nugiman khani shaw. He could recognize rose, marigold and hibiscus. Bo kai tham khumno bo cinema khani shaw. O jaga nor no photo dirkha yangong ke rose kasaro marigold tai hibiscus. O tinta khumno ke bo cinema kha tai kasha khumbo cinema li hani shaw chang last class no kha hai da chang nai le ne ab tam khum. Rishi learned a new flower name hani shaw. Bo kaisa katal khumni mo bo sreng ka hani shaw. The name of the flower is tulip. A khumni bo mo kita mo tulip. Nge bin cousin noni ka bona tam hani shaka or nogi mano norok. Tulip besang nai thotok hai da. Borok ni aro hke borok tulip festival celebrate khayo hani shaw. Spring time o spring season o borok tulip festival celebrate khayo hani shaw. In India wo main season tam season cheng no man summer rainy autumn winter and spring cheng o pasta season India o cheng no mano summer ke tamo afro ke belai ke kutung weather hai da cheng afro ice cream rok chao cheng cotton ni kamchli rok chumo hani chao rainy ya ke monsoon afro ke tamo belai ke rain belai ke watui wao bebak jaga no tui hai da cheng afro ke tam use kai Sati rok use khayo umbrella, raincoats rok se use khayo. Ke autumn mo gita mo trees shed leaves, the sky look clear. Autumn mo gita mang blai rok krai bai ma jora. Engke nokha rok belai ke clear nugo hne shaw. okay ke winter rok kita ma winter ke to kesang mani jora cold weather rok belai ke thanda inge chingta mo chingtam kamsli rok chuma fruke kamsli kutung chumu hada woolen clothes chumo kita chingta mo drink hot soups ni chau ching afruke kutung mani rok chana hamjago soup pan hangka je sapan kutung mani rok chang chana ni hamjago inke spring ge jotoni pleasant weather ni chau spring onge pleasant weather flowers bloom trees look fresh and green after ketamo spring ni season ketamo khumrok barbai ma jora belai ke weather rok belai ke tong thotok tree buphang rok bohaino ketal blai na ma jora belai no khrang jiri belai nai thotok angmani jora tai oino state rogo bocheng bai ke spring festival khlai jak abo chungo chapter nai lene engecheng nogui mano rishi said that they also have a lovely red flowers that bloom in the spring at their place. Rishi bo bini cousin songnos haka chinaro hke spring time mo kaisa khum kasak baro ne chau khum kasak nai dio jaga nor photo banugui mano aw akhum ni bung tamo changnai lena these flowers are called buranch a flower no tam ni hinjak buranch hinjago okay ge abono rhododendron bo hinjago okay rhododendron ke belai no kasha nai thoto khum kasa color ge amo bo jaga nugui man ke abo mountain hapung kusu go bu phang kolo go abo baro hni chau in India it is mostly seen in Himalayas India wo hke abo Himalaya ni side rogo nugui manu northern part heda like Uttarakhand Himachal Pradesh Sikkim Jammu and Kashmir as hydrogo okhum nugui mano hni chau ge rishi ge bo jaga ni belong khai Jammu ni belong khai o heda enke cheng rishi ni Jammu bo oba hai khum nugui mano the flowers are usually bright red usually abatama bright red ngu kesak color ngu abono karibo pink tai white rock bo tongu kabangma variety tongu ta these flowers bloom in spring season obo spring season o baro bufroi February nishimi April rogo okhum baro hni chau cheng next on nai Rishi told Chia and Nonika about the spring festival celebrated at their place Rishi bini cousin Sia tai Nonika no bos hai khnarka porok ne aro bahai ke spring festival celebrate khai during this festival mustard flowers and buranch flowers are placed at the doorstep of each home in their neighborhood. Ye borok ne a spring festival o tam khailai sakao norok nai nai di bahai ke kaisa tukri hayo borok tam na kha buranch khum tai mustard khum horwa khum yellow color kasaro norok nugui manana yellow color ni ngwa bokhe na ge amorok borok jotoni duglam biskango borok berai relayo hni chau abo haike borok ne spring festival celebrate khayo hni chau ge elders bless the children okra rok ke chrai rok no blessing ruo hamari ruo hni chau elders also give toffees and sweet to them ge okra rok tam khai borok no toffees ge abatam chocolates rok sweets rok kutui rok borok no ruo hni chau inge chengo jaga norok ni book ni last bakhago norok nugui mano do you know hne cheng abo bokisa nailena tinini second part the most majestic mountain in the world lie in the northern areas of India and are known as Himalayas sangsar ni joton chai hatai nai thok ge northern areas of India chini India ni northern areas sotongo ni shaudo ge abo tam hani chengshini Himalayas ni shino Himalaya ni meaning tamo home of snow hani sha okay the highest mountain peak in the world is Mount Everest inge cheng saimano jotoni highest jotoni kuchukuk mountain peak nge tamo Mount Everest and it lies in our neighboring country Nepal abo bo jaga tong Nepalo chini country ni belai ke Ghana ni country wo abo tongo ni shau the height of Mount Everest is about 8,848 meters. Okay? Amni height inge besek 8,848 meters. Phadi ke chang koyekta question answer nai len do. Which red flowers bloom in spring at Rishi's place? Bo khum kesak bubar bar. Borok ni Rishi song ni ayango bo khum bar. Khum kesak. Ab akhum ni mung tamo buranch. Inge kheba rhododendron flower, no na. Next question. What do people place at the doorstep of each home during the spring festival in Rishi's place? Rishi ni tongma jagao tamo khumrok borok duglam beskang relai cheng thasingo nugi mankha tamo khumni mung mustard and buranch flower ni shauna horwa khum tai ka buranch khum akhum kesak abo borok ni duglam beskango relay ni shaw tai ka question sang nai lena. What do elders give the children during the spring festival? Okra rocket charai rong no tamre blessings, toffees and sweets. Hamari blessing ro tai toffees tamo chocolates rog ro ya ke tai sweets rog ketai chamung rog borok charai rok no ro ni shaw borok ni festival borok ni spring festival. Okay? Ang hope kayo na rog jata no bujiman kana hanay tinin bagyam sung no hambay.